today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Canva templates. Sharing your Canva designs with others is a great way to collaborate, get feedback, or simply provide someone else with the resources they need to create their own work based on your design. Let's dive into the steps that will help you effortlessly share your Canva templates. To begin, open the design you wish to share on Canva. The first thing you need to do is locate the Share button. It's typically found in the top right corner of your Canva workspace. Once you click on this button, a drop-down menu will appear showing you various sharing options. This is a powerful tool as it allows you to choose exactly how you'd like to collaborate with others, whether you want them to just view your design or have editing powers. Next, type in the email address of the person you want to share your template with. It's really important to make sure that the email is correct because this is how Canva will send the invitation to your intended collaborator. You'll notice that as you type, Canva may suggest previously contacted emails, which can help speed things up, especially if you share templates frequently. Make sure you double check the email to avoid any sharing mishaps, and consider notifying the person through another channel like messaging or email so they know to expect your invitation. After entering the email, you'll see options for setting permissions. Typically, you can choose between can view, can comment, and can edit. Decide how much access you want to grant. If you want the person to utilize your design as a foundation for their work, choosing can edit will give them full creative freedom. However, if you're only after feedback or just letting them use the template without changing it, can comment or can view might be the better choice. Finally, after everything is set, click the share button to send the invitation. Canva will send an email notification to your selected person with a link to access the template. You can sit back and relax knowing that your design is now successfully shared. This effective collaboration feature ensures that your design journey can continue seamlessly regardless of where your teammates or audience might be. A few final tips. Ensure that your design is in its final form or clearly mark it as a draft before sharing. Communicate with your recipient about expectations concerning changes and encourage feedback or questions if they arise. This not only enhances the collaboration process, but also maximizes the creativity that can emerge when multiple minds come together. With these simple steps, sharing Canva templates becomes a hassle-free process, fostering creativity and collaboration in just a few clicks. Happy sharing.